Hey guys, it's the Plant Doctor here. What I want to talk about today, I want to do a product review for something I've used for several years. I want you guys to see the before and after of a product called Wet and Forget. So Wet and Forget, I picked this up at Lowe's. I think it was like $29 for a gallon of it. We're in the process of building our own Amazon store here at the Plant Doctor. As of right now, I do not have that store open, but I'm hoping that you can get this product down in the description once we get that store open. So if you want to help us out, look down there and you can order this off of Amazon, hopefully. But if not, you can get it at Lowe's, Home Depot, your local home and garden center, anywhere that sells home appliance stuff or home maintenance stuff, they're going to have this product more than likely. So this product, as the name suggests, you're going to wet it and you're going to forget it. You're not going to scrub it. You're not going to wash it down with a hose afterwards or anything like that. You mix this up, 5 parts water to 1 part solution. And I hadn't even opened this one up yet, so I'm going to pop the seal here, which means I need roughly a little over 20 ounces of product for 1 gallon of this stuff. So what I'm going to do is, this is a 20-ounce measuring cup. I have a backpack sprayer. This is a Lowe's lithium-ion backpack sprayer. I did a product review for this. I'll try to link it here if you're interested in getting one of those. I'm not sponsored by Lowe's or Home Depot or Cobalt. Great product though, if you're interested in that. So let's go ahead and mix this up. What we're going to do is mix it up, try to mix it. I'm going to go spray some spots around the house that are problem areas. 2-3 weeks later, I'm going to get some more film and you can see the results. So I need about 20 ounces of this. And we're just going to put it in sprayer. It's as easy as that. I've already got about a half a gallon of water in here. You can probably see it down here in the corner. I like to put a little bit of water in there and then top it off. So I'm going to go top this off and we're going to go look at some moldy places on the house and we're going to spray them. So the first place I want to show you is this gutter here. It gets no sun at all. We're late in the evening here, just the way it sits. I don't know if you can see, but there's some mold that's growing there. So I'm going to try to film and spray at the same time. So I've got the nozzle adjusted to where it's a stream and not a mist. Bear with me, I'm trying to spray and film at the same time. All right, so one thing you want to be careful of here is this right here. Notice I did get just a smidge on this tea olive here. It's not the end of the world as long as you rinse it off pretty quick. So I'm going to rinse these off. That's one thing you want to make sure of when you're putting down this product. If you get any drift, like I just got some drift right here, just rinse it off. Don't leave it on there and it'll be fine. All right, so here again, what I want to try to do is film and spray at the same time. I'm hoping it shows up on film. You can see there's some green mildew growing on these stairs. These stairs face due north. They don't get any direct sun. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray them. Now notice I got these boxwoods over here. Notice how I'm spraying away from those boxwoods. And the same thing on this side. I don't want to get any drift on those plants. And I'm just going to spray this down. And I'll probably come back just as a precaution and wet these boxwoods down just a little bit. It's not going to kill your plants if you get it on there, but it will make some of the leaves chlorotic, so there'd be some yellowing on those leaves. So just off those steps, this handrail here again faces due north. I know you can see that on that white. I can see it on my screen. So I'm just going to go through here. Notice again, I'm going to take my wand and spray away from the plants down there. All right, so here are the steps. And once again, I'm really pleased with the results. There was some moss on these steps, and it took that moss off. The only thing it didn't get, I'll try to get a close up here, and I'm not even sure if this is going to show up. This staining right here. Okay, this black. I'm not sure what that is. I guess I'm going to break out the pressure washer and try to get some of this. But here again, I'm being nitpicky here. My main concern was the green moss that was growing on the steps, and then here again up here on the railing, and it has taken care of that. So in my editing software, if I can figure out how to do a split screen where I have the before on the left side and then the after, this is the after on the right, I'm gonna do that for you guys. But you can see here, it really did a nice job cleaning this up. This is white, and anything that is any other color is definitely going to show up on this white. And so this is the wet and forget on these posts here. I'm really pleased with the results. This right here is really nothing. I need to take that off. That's where my wife put some tape on the post. She does the red ribbon around this for Christmas because it kind of looks like a candy cane. She does it on each one. But you can see these posts, they turned out really nice. So I also sprayed this gutter, and since I've sprayed it, I've got some guests coming in. I need to break out the broom and get rid of these spider webs. I wish I would have filmed this just a little bit earlier, in the fact that we had some tremendous rains come through. I live in the Tennessee Valley, and the TVA, the Tennessee Valley Authority, they just sent out an announcement today that last week we had 200% of our normal rain average for the week. There were some areas got 10 inches of rain last week. I think here at the house I ended up with about 7. We had one storm in particular. It's probably the hardest that I've ever seen it rain here, outside of one time we had the remnants of a hurricane come over the house here, and it rained pretty hard, where the gutters actually couldn't handle the flow rate, the capacity. And you can see, I don't know if it shows up on the video, but there's some staining up there. Those stains were gone, and then I had that rain event. This particular gutter here, I'll back up, it carries a lot of surface area. You can see here it comes down off the apex of this roof, and it comes to this corner, to that tiny gutter, and it dumps out. So there's a lot of water in addition to what's over the garage right here. There's a lot of water that gets dumped on this downspout. The product worked here, but here again, I probably need to hit it one more time. You can see right there where it overflowed.